Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. We're very happy you're here today. If this is your first time, welcome. If you come back every day, thank you so much. You are doing a great job. Today's topic is simple and very useful. Talk about your city. We all live in a city, a town, or a village. So this topic is perfect for you. You can use it in real life. You can use it with friends. You can use it when you travel. You can use it in English class. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This helps us a lot, and it helps you learn more English every day. Okay, let's start. Listen carefully first. Then we will talk together. Then we will listen again. Ready? Let's go. Today we talk about your city. First, a simple question. Where do you live? You can say, I live in a city. Or, I live in a small town. Or, I live in a big city. Let's say it together. I live in a city. Good job. Now let's add the name. I live in Tlemcen. I live in Paris. I live in Tokyo. Very good. Now listen to this example. I live in a small city. It is quiet. Listen again. I live in a small city. It is quiet. Now you say it. Pause and say it. Great job. Now let's learn some useful words. Big, small, busy, quiet, beautiful, old, modern. Let's repeat. Big city, small city, busy city, quiet city. Very good. Now listen. My city is big. My city is small. Repeat. My city is big. My city is small. Nice work. Now let's make it longer. My city is big and busy. My city is small and quiet. Listen again. My city is big and busy. My city is small and quiet. Now you try. Pause, speak slowly. Excellent. You are improving already. Now let's talk about places in your city. What places do you know? Street, park, school, market, restaurant, hospital, mosque/church, beach. Let's repeat. Park, school, market, restaurant. Good. Now listen to this. There is a park in my city. Again. There is a park in my city. Now you say it. Great. Now another example. There is a big market in my city. Repeat. There is a big market in my city. Very nice. Now, let's make it a question. Is there a park in your city? Listen. Is there a park in your city? Now answer. Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. Let's practice. Question. Is there a park in your city? Answer. Yes, there is. Good job. Now, is there a beach in your city? Answer. No, there isn't. Perfect. Now, let's talk about what you like in your city. Listen. I like my city. Simple and nice. Repeat. I like my city. Good. Now make it longer. I like my city because it is beautiful. Listen again. I like my city because it is beautiful. Now you try. Great. Another example. I like my city because it is quiet. Repeat. I like my city because it is quiet. Nice. Now your turn. Think about your city. Why do you like it? Say, I like my city because. Pause, speak. Very good. Keep going. Now let's talk about what you don't like. Listen. I don't like my city. Repeat. I don't like my city. Good. Now. I don't like my city because it is busy. Listen again. I don't like my city because it is busy. Your turn. Great. Another example. I don't like my city because it is noisy. Repeat. I don't like my city because it is noisy. Nice. Now you try your own sentence. Pause, speak slowly. Excellent work. Now let's have a small dialogue. Listen first. A. Where do you live? B. I live in a small city. A. Is it busy? B. No, it is quiet. A. Do you like it? B. Yes, I like it very much. Listen again. A. Where do you live? B. I live in a small city. A. Is it busy? B. No, it is quiet. A. Do you like it? B. Yes, I like it very much. Now let's practice together. I will say A. You say B. Ready? Where do you live? You answer. Good. Is it busy? You answer. Nice. Do you like it? You answer. Very good. That's real English. You are doing amazing. Now let's talk about daily life in your city. Listen. In my city, people wake up early. Repeat. In my city, people wake up early. Good. Another. In my city, people go to work. Repeat. In my city, people go to work. Nice. Now. In my city, people go to the market. Repeat. In my city, people go to the market. Great. Now your turn. What do people do in your city? Say. In my city, people. Pause, speak. Very good. Let's talk about transportation. How do people move in your city? Car. Bus. Train. Taxi. Bike. Listen. In my city, people use cars. Repeat. In my city, people use cars. Good. Another. In my city, people take the bus. Repeat. In my city, people take the bus. Nice. Now. In my city, people walk. Repeat. In my city, people walk. Great. Now your turn. In my city, people. Pause, speak. Excellent. Now, let's describe your city more. Listen. My city is very beautiful. Repeat. My city is very beautiful. Good. My city is very busy. Repeat. My city is very busy. Nice. My city is old. Repeat. My city is old. Good. My city is modern. Repeat. My city is modern. Very nice. Now combine. My city is old and beautiful. Repeat. My city is old and beautiful. Good job. Now your turn. Describe your city. Pause, speak. Amazing. You are improving step by step. Let's do another dialogue. Listen. A. Tell me about your city. B. My city is big and busy. A. Is it beautiful? B. Yes, it is very beautiful. A. What do you like? B. I like the parks and the restaurants. Listen again. A. Tell me about your city. B. My city is big and busy. A. Is it beautiful? B. Yes, it is very beautiful. A. What do you like? B. I like the parks and the restaurants. Now your turn. Answer like B. Tell me about your city. Pause, speak. Very good. Is it beautiful? Answer. Nice. What do you like? Answer. Excellent work. Now, let's repeat important sentences. Listen and repeat. I live in a city. My city is big. My city is small. My city is busy. My city is quiet. There is a park in my city. I like my city. I don't like my city. In my city, people work. In my city, people go to the market. Again. I live in a city. My city is big. My city is small. My city is busy. My city is quiet. Very good. Repetition helps you remember. You are doing great. Now let's do one more practice. Listen. My city is small. It is quiet. There is a park. I like it. Listen again. My city is small. It is quiet. There is a park. I like it. Now you say it. Good. Now change it. My city is big. It is busy. There is a market. I like it. Repeat. My city is big. It is busy. There is a market. I like it. Great. Now make your own version. Pause, speak. Amazing. Wrap up. You did a great job today. Really. Today you learned how to talk about your city in English. Let's remember the key ideas. You can say, I live in a city. You can describe, my city is big. My city is small. My city is busy. My city is quiet. You can talk about places. There is a park in my city. There is a market in my city. You can share your opinion. I like my city. I don't like my city. You can talk about people. In my city, people work. In my city, people go to the market. That's amazing progress. Now here is your question for today. Tell us in the comments, what do you like about your city? Write a simple sentence. I like my city because. Keep it simple. Keep it real. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep speaking.